Welcome. Connecting with customers quickly and effectively is essential for growing a successful online store. That's where Postscript comes in. Postscript is a powerful SMS marketing platform designed specifically for Shopify stores. It helps businesses send targeted text message campaigns, automate customer communication, and increase engagement through personalized messaging. With tools for audience segmentation, automated flows, and campaign tracking, Postscript allows Shopify merchants to reach customers directly on their phones and improve marketing performance. Let's get started. Carts promote special offers and build stronger relationships with their customers. By integrating Postscript with Shopify, you can create automated SMS campaigns that drive sales while maintaining compliance with industry regulations. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the complete setup and optimization of Postscript for your Shopify store in 2025. You will learn how to install the app, grow your SM subscriber list, set up automation, craft engaging campaigns, and track performance metrics. To define your marketing strategy. Whether you are new to SM's marketing or looking to enhance your current approach, this guide will provide practical insights to help you maximize customer engagement, increase conversions, and scale your Shopify business. Using Postscript. Let's dive in and set up your SMS marketing for success. Installing Postscript on Shopify. To start using Postscript for SMS marketing, follow the steps to install and set it up on your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Postscript SMS marketing, click Add App, install the app, and connect it to your Shopify store. Grant permissions allow Postscript to integrate with Shopify for seamless data synchronization. Complete account setup. Enter your business details, including your store's name, phone number, and messaging preferences. Verify installation. Once installed, Postscript will appear in your Shopify dashboard, ready for configuration. After installation, you can start setting up automated campaigns, growing your subscriber list, and optimizing SM's marketing for better customer engagement and sales. Compliance and legal setup. SMS marketing is subject to strict regulations, so ensuring compliance is crucial to avoid legal issues. Follow the steps to keep your SM's marketing legally sound. Enable TCPA and SICTA compliance. Ensure that all opt-ins are legally valid and follow text messaging regulations. Add a subscription disclaimer. Clearly inform customers at the point of sign-up that they are consenting to receive SMS messages. Provide opt-out options. Customers must have an easy way to unsubscribe, such as replying stop to opt out. Verify message frequency. Be transparent about how often subscribers can expect to receive messages. By following these compliance guidelines, you can build trust with your audience while avoiding penalties and ensuring a smooth SMS marketing experience. Growing your SMS subscriber list. An engaged SM's list is key to a successful marketing strategy. Use these methods to grow your subscriber base. Pop-ups on your website offer exclusive discounts or early access to sales in exchange for sign-outs, checkout opt-ins. Allow customers to subscribe to SMS updates during the checkout process. Create a keyword that customers can text to subscribe. Social media and email promotions. Promote SMS signups through Instagram, Facebook, and email newsletters. Print QR codes on receipts or product packaging to encourage SMS subscriptions. The more subscribers you have, the greater your opportunities to engage customers. Drive sales and build long-term relationships. Setting up automated SMS campaigns. Automating SMS campaigns with Postscript allows you to engage customers efficiently. By setting up automation, you can send timely messages based on customer actions. Follow these steps to create automated SMS campaigns, Go to Automations in Postscript. Navigate to the Automations tab and select the type of automation you want to create. Choose a trigger event. Pick an action that will trigger the SM, such as A. New subscriber opting in. An abandoned cart reminder. A post-purchase thank you message. A win-back campaign for inactive customers. Customize your message. Personalize texts with customers. Name. Product details for special offers to make them more engaging. Set timing and frequency. Choose when messages will be sent, whether immediately, after a delay, or in a sequence. Avoid sending too many messages to prevent spam complaints. Enable and test. Activate your automation and send test messages to verify everything works properly. By automating SM's marketing, you can nurture leads, recover lost sales, and enhance customer retention, all with minimal manual effort. Crafting engaging SM's campaigns. Creating compelling SM's campaign is essential for capturing customer retention and driving conversions. To make your messages more effective, keep them short and direct. Ensuring they remain under 160 characters. Personalizing messages by including the customer's name and referencing past purchases can make the communication feel more relevant and engaging. It is also important to add a strong call to action that encourages immediate action. Phrases like shop now, claim or discount, or limited time offer can motivate customers to respond quickly, creating urgency by setting time. Limits on offers such as Harry, offer ends in 24 hours. It can also drive faster conversions, including a clickable link in. The message directs customers to a product page, landing page, or checkout, making it easier for them to complete their purchase. For example, you could send a message like, "Hey name, thanks for your order. Enjoy 10% of your next purchase." Link. Another example is Flush Shale, 20% off Sitewind for the next 12 hours. Grab your deal now. Link. By using these strategies, you can create engaging SMS campaigns that encourage customer interaction and boost sales. Tracking performance and optimizing campaigns to measure success. Monitor key SMS metrics, ensure messages are reaching subscribers. Open and click-through rates, see how many. Thank you for watching this Postscript SEMS marketing tutorial. Using SEMS marketing tools like Postscript can help Shopify store owners connect with customers more directly, increase engagement, and drive more sales through personalized communication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on Shopify apps, marketing tools, and e-commerce platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.